Hi everyone, thanks for watching Shaz's Vintage Reviews. This week we're going to focus on two handsets, a Nokia 3210 and the other one's an 8890. This is my fourth review. If you like the channel, subscribe to it, like it, leave any comments or share far and wide. Other than that, we'll go straight to the review. There are two handsets this week, so hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Here's a Nokia 3210. What a great phone it was. 160 million units sold, one of the most popular Nokia phones out there in the market. When it was out there, it came out in 1999. One of the key features on here was the games. Everyone loved the games. It had Snake, rotation and memory. It had an internal antenna. I'm going to go find the ringtones now, because you could actually compose your own ringtones. We used to just search the net for ringtones, free ringtones, and manually type it in. Once you manage it, I've just typed one in earlier. This is the Knight Rider ringtone. I'll press it play now. As you can hear. So that was the Knight Rider ringtone. You could actually put any ringtone in here. You could take the front off, the back off. It's very sturdy and very reliable. Top phone. So the next phone I'm going to talk to you about is the 8890. What a phone. It came out after the 8850, but this was recognised as a global phone. You could actually use it in the US. It had a beautiful finish. It was a titanium phone. As you can see, it's very, very classy. It looked the part. If you had this phone, you had one of the greatest phones. You had an aerial on it. The actual aerial did nothing. The antenna was built in the back. So the antenna, the aerial was on there for no reason. It had the typical features on there. It had the games on there, the infrared. It had everything the 8850 had, but you just could use it in the US. It was one of the most popular phones to have. If you had this phone, you tended to have money. It's very, very expensive. Of all time, it did have infrared as well, like I can show you now. Oh, there we go. So here's the two phones, an 8890 and the 3210.
I'm on Nick, and this is the wall. Have a look up here. Hey guys, this phone is quite good. Then remember it's a good than a Mac one. This phone is quite good too, and this one, content is not that cool, but it's a 8800.